where things seem to be working in such tandem that you tend to believe, yes, you truly are a blessed state, you truly are blessed people residing in this beautiful part of India, a jewel in the crown called India. And the way things happen and the way good people come together, I think speaks volumes of the Ashirwad, as we say, blessings as we call, from somebody above. And in this direction, I may say that Mr. Shreedharan Pillai exactly fits in the groove. A very knowledgeable person, an eminent lawyer, an eminent writer as well. Several publications to his credit. I am sure what he hears from you when you interact, what he sees around him, what he has seen in Bogmalo, what he has seen or will see now in Chicalim, it will be there in his memoirs, it will be there in his writings. So we have to make the best use of it. The trees can grow huge and large and give shelter and shade to entire population of our lovely state. And if the thinking is the same, we can definitely deliver. I want to only say one thing. I don't want to take time because I want to give the time to the governor. I only want to say one thing. You will see many new things coming in the Panchayats. You will see a new working. You will see a new awakening. Because elected are many youth as they have come forward. We have one of the youngest person who is 22 years old as a Panch. We have one of the youngest Sarpanch of Bogmalo. These are things which have happened. For the first time, we have had simpletons getting elected, Poonam, from one of the nearby wards whom nobody expected. So people want change. Let us live up to the expectation. That is all I have to say. As the government, I am there to fully help all of you. Once again, on behalf of each one of you, a very big thank you. देव बरें करूं. आमचे मान्य राजपाला इतलो आपलो वेळ काढून मिस्टर एंड मिसेस पिल्ले आमचो दिवस आनी हांव समजता आमचे वेल बिगन इज हाफ डन. वी आर बिगिनिंग विथ युअर ब्लेसिंग्स.
Mohanji, I like him very much because he is not confined to your constituency or your state, but in economic matters and other discussions in Delhi or throughout India, his contribution, he is participating in that discussions when financial minister and other such national level leaders, prime minister, they are convening the meetings. I got information from various sources that Mohanji is studying things and presenting things in a practical way, and that is why you can proudly say your MLA, your representative is an important dynamic leader of the country also. I am extremely happy today since the Grama visit program is again starting by Governor and his team today. This is the first program. I have completed 1 year as the governor here. Immediately after taking charge of Goa, we declared that the last September 17, when our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 71st birthday, Rajbhavan declared that Governor is going to visit almost all villages, and Sampurna Goa Yatra started at that time on such a background. Then it is continued and we have completed more than 60% of the villages, panchayats already we visited. My experience, of course I would like to say, from my childhood onwards, during my school days onwards, I started public work. And I had occasion to hold the presidency of the state presidency of the party in which I belonged to at that time, 2 times, and national level responsibility of was vested with me, and wide contact with the people. Of course, that is the crux of the public work as far as I am concerned.